Hey everybody, here are the paintings from the last two videos. This is the one that I used the hairdryer on, and I absolutely love it. I think it's super dramatic, and I still have my paw print in it, which is the coolest looking cell I think I've ever gotten. Um, I really like it, and I love the pink, the hints of the neon pink. And then this is the mallet smash that I did using my own white. And then this is the pouring acrylic. And you can see how my white is more matte, but the pouring acrylic stayed real shiny and bright and vivid. So I'm really happy to know that it can be mixed. The first video I did, I just found out it was released last night, stalled. So, and that was about mixing the paints. So that was a shame. I usually don't proof my videos because watching me makes me nuts. And from comments, it makes other people's nuts too. But anywho, we don't need to talk about that. But I today am going to do a big dirty flip cup with the ARTEZA pouring acrylics. And the colors last a while now, so I know that I'm excited I can mix it with my white. But this is going to be more flip and drag like, so I'm not mixing it with my white, just because I think all of the mixing will dilute it a little too much. So I'm using shades of blues, yellows, greens. I've got ultramarine blue. Oops, what was in here? Ultramarine. And then I will put in sea green. That one is causing me issues. The lid won't stay down. So when I shook it, even though I was holding the lid, somehow it opened up on me. And lemon yellow. I'm really trying to forcibly squeeze it into there, not gently, because I want it to mix. And I've got forest green. And phthalo blue. Let's put a little bit of mid yellow in there as well. Well, let's just use that one up. This is an 8x8 canvas. I think there's a tiny bit of white left on here. I figured that was about it. Yep. So let's see what happens. I have neither torch with me right now. Let me grab. Alright. My one torch, the little torch is empty, so I'm going to fill that real fast while this is kind of okay. Oh my gosh, I'm looking around and I have this color everywhere. Ooh, that's pretty. Hopefully it fills the canvas. I may actually go in and do some more colors on top of this. Maybe. We'll see how this shakes out. This is pretty. Different for me without all of the negative space. But I haven't done a pour like this in a very long time. Make sure the edges are covered. I don't like this white up here. No, I might be stuck with it. Unless I can a little more. My troublesome Ooh, that's cool. I should try some down here too. I like the ribbon effect on the second one. I like that they're both slightly different. Wow. I'm glad I added the last bit. Just double checking the sides again. I don't want any canvas showing. And I'm not going to torch this. It doesn't need to be. So I'm going to scooch it down a bit so that I can bring the camera to it. So there's the ribbon that I poured at the last one. And that was the top color I poured. I really like how this turned out. And it's going to be so nice and smooth and shiny. Very, very, very excited about that one. I just love the ribbon so much. I need to do a pour with ribbon. That's what I need to do. And then these little cells are cute. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.